Alright, we're going to take a look at Ridgid's new 5 amp hour hyper lithium ion battery. It's their highest capacity battery they have right now. It's up from the 4 amp hour version. We just got a size comparison with the 2 amp hour, and we'll take a look at the charger that goes with it as well. So the 2 amp and the charger came as a kit, and the 5 amp hour battery came by itself. So let's take a closer look. Just to give you a size comparison, here's the 5 amp hour. The dimensions are approximately 5.5 by 2.5 by 3.5, and it's got a lot of the same features that the 2 amp hour does. You can see it's got the same general type of battery release. The slide style pack is the same format and function, so this new 5 amp hour battery works with all of Ridgid's tools. So that's one of the things that Ridgid's done a really great job through the years of changing battery chemistries and everything like that. All of their 18-volt tools work with all of their 18-volt batteries. They've really taken care of their customer base there. Some of the minor changes between these two versions, you've got these the slide pack release levers. They're a little bit rubberized here. It makes it a little bit easier to grip, and it just feels a little bit easier to pull it off of the tool than the previous gen, just hard plastic ones. These ones might have a little bit more spring to them, but it's a good ergonomics for that. You can see it's got rubberized feet on the bottom, so if you've got a tool that you want to stand up on it, this will grip the surface, and it's a good solid base for it. It's got the LED status indicator on the front, and it's actually a little bit easier to press on the new 5 amp hour. It's a little bit recessed on the 2. So another good minor improvement. And once again, it fits on the charger just fine. Same charger that does NiCad and lithium ion batteries. You got your charging status indicator. It says full. These will flash while it's charging, just to give you more indication of how far along it is. And of course, you've got on the charger, you've got this evaluation light lights up when you first plug the battery in, and if your battery's overheating, it'll give you a temperature delay warning, and then it'll also give you a defective warning. I haven't gotten either of these yet. That's a good thing. And focus on the charger here. I think this one's not quite all the way full. Yeah, this one's got a little bit going, so it's flashing because it's charging. This will light up solid when it's done, and this will stop flashing when it's done too. So when it comes to battery life with this new 5 amp hour battery, unfortunately all I've got to test it on right now is the hybrid fan, but I put that on high and left it going overnight and checked it in the morning, and after 7 hours it was still running, and I checked it in another 2 hours and it had stopped. So somewhere between 7 and 9 hours of runtime for that hybrid fan. Now I'd love to get the chance to test this out on, say, Ridgid's new 7¼ inch full-size cordless circular saw. So if I get a hold of that, I'll let you know how it goes, and I'll definitely do another video update. But right now I'm pretty impressed with the runtime of this 5 amp hour battery. The energy density of it compared to the 2 amp hour is a lot more energy per unit weight. So this 5 amp hour battery weighs about 1 pound and 12 ounces, and this 2 amp hour battery weighs about 1 pound. So for less than twice the weight, so 1 3/4 times the weight of this battery, you're getting 2.5 times the energy storage capacity. So it's a definite improvement if you're looking for, just lasting the whole job length of whatever you're doing with your power tools. If you're looking for a little bit more lightweight and less tiring work, you might want to stick with the 2 amp hour, but the 5 amp hour definitely gives you enough energy to keep going and get the whole job done. So hopefully that review was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments section. I'll try to get to them, and don't forget to subscribe.